Hello, welcome back. Today we are looking at this incredible best Jingyuqin 20Pcs lot. Everyone is buzzing about this product right now. After testing it myself, I finally understand why it's so popular. Don't go anywhere, because the value here is mind-blowing. Regarding the build, it exceeds all expectations. The materials feel solid and very comfortable to handle. You can really tell they didn't cut any corners. It feels way more expensive than it actually is, giving you that luxury experience. The smart technology inside makes it so efficient. Whether you're a pro or a beginner, this is made for you. It's reliable, quiet, and honestly, just a joy to use every single day. It's a major upgrade to your productivity and lifestyle. Now, here's the catch: stock is moving fast. Check the link in the description and secure yours at the best possible